Hey, what's going on, my YouTube holics? I'm going to try to go ahead and put this inner tube in today. So show you how I like to do it. I know there's a bunch of things on the interwebs that show you how to put inner tubes in, so let's see if I can do this. I like to take small bites. All I'm doing is breaking the bead on just the one side here, hopefully. Put my foot, there we go. That's what I wanted. That's what I wanted to hear. That's what I wanted to hear. Make sure she popped all the way around. This tube that is in it doesn't matter if I mess it up. Let's take this guy off. Make sure that tire is falling into the deepest part of the rim there, just like so. Get a nice good bite on it. Not as bad as I thought. Sorry for the traffic noise. It's a weekend. It's Sunday. Alright. Air out as I can. Okay, my YouTube olives, after 15 hours trying to get this other bead to break off, get ready to install my inner tube and hopefully show you the way I like to do it. Trying out this new tool I got. Haven't tried that out yet. So I like to try to feed my inner tube in the tire. Much of it in as you can. Back down there. See if that'll guide her through. valve stem out. And go ahead and put the motor on there so she don't move anywhere. Try to get everything set up first. Like I said, I haven't tried this air compressor out to see if it'll fill up air without the valve core in it, so I don't know. Sally's doing it, but let me put the core back in it. Might fill it up a little better. I don't want to overheat the little mini air compressor here. Try it a different way here. That should be good. It's got a nice area to it. Yeah, a little bit. At this time I like to run my fingers through it to make sure it feels like it's all nice and everything. So there's no wrinkles in it. So let's throw some WD-40 on there. Go ahead and take the air out. Go ahead and fill this thing up there. Let's put their valve core back in it if I haven't lost it. Let's get our handy dandy air compressor back on here. Now let's see if we can get this feed to see. Let's see what she's reading. About 20. Alright, my YouTube hawks, I don't know what you saw or what you didn't see, but I aired up the tire until both bead seated, and now it's almost at 36 psi. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back on the bike, and I like to use marine grease for the axles because it's a little bit more waterproof. You don't need a lot. You're not packing bearings here. You're just putting a nice little skim of grease on the axle, so that way it doesn't get lodged in or get locked into the hub, and the bearings will be harder to get out when you need it to get out. So I like to, not generously, but a nice good skim on it, so that way you'll be fine. Get ready to put this guy in, but now I gotta lift the tire up. There she goes. There she goes. Make sure your caliper and everything's on. Did install the new inner tube in an old tire, so now we get to ride again. So we'll actually end it here. All right, we'll see you later. Now I gotta clean up my mess. You want to help me? Oh, you're still here? Get out of here. Go do something. Go watch another channel. All right, later, fellas, ladies and gentlemen.